Diabetes complications. Diabetics need to be very serious about maintaining control of their blood glucose, that is blood sugar levels. Regular blood sugar tests can help you maintain safe blood glucose levels and lower the risks for a host of diabetes complications. Heart disease and stroke. Heart disease is one of the most common complications of diabetes. It can lead to heart attack, stroke, angina, and coronary artery disease. About 65% of people with diabetes may suffer from heart disease and stroke. Adults with diabetes are 2 to 4 times more likely to have heart disease or suffer a stroke than those without diabetes. उच्च रक्तचाप. डायबिटीज के मरीजों में उच्च रक्तचाप भी हो सकता है. इससे दिल का दौरा, स्ट्रोक, हृदय की बीमारी और आंखों की समस्याएं भी हो सकती है. High cholesterol levels. People with diabetes, especially those with poorly controlled blood sugar, have a high level of triglycerides and lower levels of healthy HDL cholesterol. The LDL or bad cholesterol is what causes damage in diabetics. These abnormalities also increase the risk of heart disease for people with type 2 diabetes. Vision loss और blindness. दुनिया भर में डायबिटीज अंधेपन का बहुत बड़ा कारण है. उच्च रक्त शर्करा के स्तर से धुंधली दृष्टि, कांच बिंदु, मोतिया बिंदु और अंधापन भी हो सकता है. रक्त शर्करा स्तर कम रखने से ये सारी उलझनें टल सकती है. Diabetic neuropathy, nerve damage. Diabetic neuropathy can damage nerves throughout your body. Nerve damage can reduce your ability to feel heat, pain, or cold. You may not notice small wounds which can develop infections and ulcerations. Diabetic neuropathy can also affect the nerves of your digestive system. For example, diabetic gastroparesis is a disorder in which the movement of food through the digestive tract is slowed or stopped. This can cause wide fluctuations in blood glucose and make glucose control difficult. Kidney disease. गुर्दे खून में से गंदगी निकालते हैं. डायबिटीज से होने वाली गुर्दे की बीमारी से दिल का दौरा, स्ट्रोक और मौत की संभावना बढ़ती है. उच्च रक्त शर्करा गुर्दों को नुकसान पहुंचाती है. गुर्दों में नुकसान के लक्षण दिल की बीमारी के भी लक्षण होते हैं. Skin conditions. Many skin problems are associated with diabetes. Fungal infections, yeast infections, itching, blisters, and boils are common skin issues for people with diabetes. Anyone can develop these skin infections, but diabetic people develop more infections and their wounds heal slowly. About 1/3 of people with diabetes will develop a diabetes-related skin disorder during their life. तो आप इन उलझनों से कैसे बचेंगे? सबसे अच्छी बात है कि आप अपने रक्त शर्करा स्तर को नियमित रूप से जांचें और अपने डॉक्टर से संपर्क में रहें.